So we did a maintenance, I guess like a second opinion, and a lot of other companies, they'll try to get a replacement on the unit when it just needs some upkeep maintenance. We're gonna change a contactor, a weak capacitor, and then we're gonna add a flow switch, and that's it. So yeah, this is what we're installing. Brand new capacitor, turbo, contactor, and then inside she didn't have any overflow safety, so we're gonna put that. But I didn't fall last time.
You're gonna go next. Man, you're older than me.
This is kind of, if you notice, nobody else has their unit on the roof. This lady, she just moved here. And when we first got here, we're like, where the hell is your unit? Because it's cold in here, and none of the units were on around the building because they're set up on the end of the building. There's only 3 units, four units,
Yeah, that's
four townhomes, but 3 condensers, and we're like, what the heck, dude? What is going on? You made it. Whew. Simple repair. Safety first. Both of these out. So we came on a maintenance and found this is pitted, so it's gonna start to weld itself shut. So this is, I guess, would be on the preventative side. Like I said, this was just a regular maintenance, and we gave her some options as just what we can do to, I guess, extend the life of the unit versus just replacing it. Like I said, they just moved in, so they just wanted to make sure everything was working the way it should.
This right here, this is a universal capacitor. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be replacing this old one right here. All right.
So what are we going to do with that one?
We're going to be doing the 20 and the 25 together, right?
Yep.
So see in this one right here, this is a 45/5.
Yes.
So what we're doing, we're going to be jumping it 20 and 25 to make that 45. Yeah.
Okay.
And you got your you got your comment.
So you made your 45?
Mm-hmm.
So then you can look at your panel there. You look at what's coming off of your compressor. All right, compressor. Yellow is your start, right? So yellow is gonna go.
There you go.
Okay.
And then we have the commons would be in the middle.
The commons go in the center, and that's all she wrote. The cool thing about this, a lot of other companies, they'll put like a generic freaking capacitor. Like this one's probably this. I don't think this is original to the unit, but they don't last. Plus, this one comes with like a 5-year warranty. So
You're gonna be using that?
yeah. What I like to do is I'll let the capacitor hang and just put the zip tie by itself. And we'll zip tie it, and then.
Oh, you want to just...
Yeah. Just let that guy hang. And then here you go. All right, I'll take this guy out. I don't need this no more. Put that disconnect back up, close it up. And we try to get back down off the ladder.
That's it, huh?
Yeah, that's it. Now we're just gonna go put that overflow safety switch. Like I said, she just moved in, so just have peace of mind that even if they're not home, the unit's running, if it does get clogged, then you can not have to worry about water damage everywhere.
So I have a tiny little room.
So this guy's gonna go right. That's gonna be a tight squeeze, but we'll make it work. And that's it. So your unit's back up and ready to go?
Thank you.